Okay, Mason is busy this morning making his peanut butter and jelly sandwich. He's doing a pretty good job. He's only got a little bit of peanut butter in the jelly, but that's okay because they actually mix peanut butter and jelly these days.
Peanut butter salad.
Doing good, sweetheart. Now, go over here. He's got everything laid out because he is packing his own lunch today.
I'm pausing like you because I don't want him to miss.
Oh, okay. That's way too much jelly, and what happens when you put too much jelly is it oozes out and lands in your lap. So take half of that and put it back in the jar.
Mom, I'm putting it on the jelly side.
Okay, that's good. Now put it together.
Hold on, let me just get this clean. Nah, never mind.
Okay, put it together. And now this is the fun part. You get to cut it, and then we'll put it in a container.
Oh no, this is my careful side.
Good job. Okay, now take the knife.
This. I only got the sharper one.
No, that's sharp enough.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, I got to make it.
Yeah, eat the jam off your fingers. That's important. Okay.
Oopsie, I have sneeze.
Yeah, you gotta press down. Press down all the way. You know the good thing about this is the other side's gonna look perfect. Press down, press down.
It's not good.
Press down the corners too. Yay! You want it just like that? Or you're gonna cut it the other half the other way.
Fix this.
No. What are you doing?
I'm fixing it.
Oh, you're fixing it. Okay, good job. Okay, smile for me. You did a good job.